Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, Apple Pay makes checkout faster and easier for customers using Apple devices. So in today's small tutorial, I make sure to show you how to actually connect or enable Apple Pay on Squarespace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you open your device are fully connected to the internet and all of this. We're gonna go all the way to look for Squarespace or the login. Tap on this link, it will take you all the way to their website where you just log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go all the way to settings. Look for selling here, then tap payments, add ways to receive payments. As for now, you should go all the way to connect a Stripe account first. So make sure Stripe is already connected. Then go to the settings or payments there to enable the Apple Pay. Under Stripe payment methods, toggle Apple Pay on. Then verify the domain in Stripe by going and opening Stripe dashboard settings, look for Apple Pay there, and verify your domain. Also make sure HTTPS is fully enabled. Your site must have SSL enabled for Apple Pay to work. If you want to check it, go all the way to Developer Tools here, then see if the SSL is active. Then save your settings, return to Squarespace and save all changes, then test Apple Pay checkout. Use an Apple device to confirm Apple Pay shows at the checkout. As for some small tips, Apple Pay only appears on compatible devices. Make sure your Stripe account is fully verified. Then Apple Pay improves mobile checkout conversion, so don't really worry. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.